Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious spinach quesadilla. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 5 ounces of fresh spinach, which is roughly 1 standard bag. Next, grab your favorite shredded cheese. Monterey Jack or a Mexican blend works wonderfully. Don't forget your tortillas. 8-inch flour tortillas are perfect for this recipe. We're aiming for a quick and satisfying meal. Now let's prepare our spinach. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add your fresh spinach. Sauté it for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's completely wilted down. It will look like a lot at first, but it cooks down significantly. Once wilted, remove the spinach and squeeze out any excess water. This step is crucial for a non-soggy quesadilla. Season it lightly with salt and pepper. Time to assemble our masterpiece. Lightly oil your skillet again and place 1 8-inch flour tortilla in the pan over medium heat. Sprinkle a generous amount of your shredded cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, evenly distribute your prepared, drained spinach over the cheese. You want a good balance of both. This layering ensures every bite is packed with flavor and gooey goodness. Cook until the cheese starts to melt. Once the cheese begins to melt, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the spinach and cheese side. Press down gently with a spatula to help it seal and crisp up. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until both sides are beautifully golden brown and the cheese is fully melted and bubbly. Remove from the pan, slice into wedges, and serve immediately with your favorite salsa or sour cream. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.